important thing, I would say the most important thing would be your diagrams. Your diagrams are the most important thing because if something goes wrong, you can follow your diagram, follow the sequence of operation, and you can always figure out your problem.
Very cool. I really appreciate your time. Thanks.
Awesome. Appreciate it.
What's up, Angel?
Thanks a lot for that.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
really going to help the school and
Awesome.
the guys who were trying to be you. You know what I mean?
Whenever you have a chance, I got some questions.
Let's do it.